Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's episode is not only for people preparing for international English exams, but also for anyone who wants to improve their English in a practical and confident way.
That makes it interesting because many learners think exam preparation and English learning are two different things.
Exactly, but the truth is they are deeply connected. When you improve your English naturally, your exam performance also improves.
So instead of studying only for exams, we should focus on real communication?
Yes, because exams like IELTS, PTE, GRE, or GMAT are designed to check how well you understand and use English in real situations.
That already changes the mindset.
And mindset is the first step. Many learners feel pressure because they think they need perfect grammar and advanced vocabulary.
Which creates fear and hesitation.
Exactly, but if you focus on simple, clear, and natural English, everything becomes easier.
So simplicity is actually a strength.
Absolutely. Clear communication always creates a better impression than complicated sentences with mistakes.
That's very practical.
Now let's think about speaking. Whether you are preparing for an exam or just learning English, speaking regularly is the most powerful tool.
But many people don't practice speaking daily.
Yes, they watch videos, read books, but they don't speak. And without speaking, fluency cannot develop.
So what is the best way to start?
Start with your daily life. Talk about your routine, your work, your thoughts. Use simple words, but speak continuously.
So no need to wait for perfect sentences?
Not at all. Fluency comes from flow, not perfection.
That removes a lot of pressure.
Now, if we connect this with exams, in the speaking section, examiners look for clarity, confidence, and smooth delivery.
So stopping again and again is a problem.
Yes, because it breaks your flow. Even if your English is simple, continuous speech creates a strong impression.
That's a very important point.
Now let's talk about writing. Many learners try to write long and complex sentences.
And they make mistakes.
Exactly. Instead, focus on clear ideas, one sentence, and proper connection between sentences.
So structure matters more than complexity.
Yes, structure gives clarity. When your ideas are organized, your writing becomes easy to understand.
That's useful for both exams and daily English.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about listening. Many learners feel that listening is difficult because they cannot understand every word.
I think that happens with almost everyone.
Yes, but the goal is not to catch every word. The goal is to understand the main idea.
So focusing on meaning is more important.
Exactly. When you relax and listen for meaning, your understanding improves naturally.
That makes listening less stressful.
Now reading. Reading is not about translating every word in your mind.
Then what should we do?
Read in groups of words, understand the idea, and move forward. This increases speed and confidence.
So we should avoid slow reading.
Yes, slow reading reduces efficiency, especially in exams.
Now I feel everything is connected.
Exactly. All four skills support each other. Speaking improves thinking, listening improves understanding, reading builds knowledge, and writing organizes ideas.
That's a complete system.
Now let's talk about the biggest challenge, fear.
Yes, fear stops many people from speaking.
Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of low scores.
So how do we deal with it?
By accepting that mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake shows progress.
That's a strong mindset.
Also, practice in a comfortable environment. Speak alone, record your voice, listen again.
That builds awareness.
Yes, and awareness leads to improvement.
Can you suggest a daily routine?
Of course. Start your day by speaking for a few minutes. Talk about your plan or your thoughts.
That warms up your mind.
During the day, listen to English content. It can be a podcast, video, or conversation.
So passive learning also helps?
Yes, your brain absorbs patterns.
And in the evening?
Practice writing or reading. Keep it simple but consistent.
And at night?
Speak again. Talk about your day. This strengthens memory.
That sounds very effective.
Yes, and it works for both exam preparation and real English improvement.
What about mock tests?
They are important because they prepare you for real exam conditions.
So we should practice with time limits.
Exactly. This builds discipline and confidence.
Now everything feels more clear and simple.
That's the goal. Learning English and preparing for exams should not feel complicated.
It should feel practical and natural.
Yes. Now remember one important thing. Your goal is not to impress anyone.
Your goal is to express your thoughts.
Exactly. When you focus on expression, confidence grows automatically.
And confidence improves performance.
Yes. So start with simple English, practice daily, and stay consistent.
No need to wait for perfection.
Never. Start with what you know and improve step by step.
That's very motivating.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep improving, and stay confident.
We'll see you in the next episode.